Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to sign PDF with digital signature certificate. So to do that, I'm heading over to my CanScanner. You can also use Adobe PDF or Adobe Acrobat PDF or CanScanner or any type of PDF scanner or PDF reader. So once you are done with it, I'm headed over to a PDF file. So I'm heading over to a page where I need to sign in the document. And here you will find the option of edit. Now scroll to the left. Now go to sign option. And here click on sign. Now tap on add and tap on create a signature. So it will turn to landscape mode. Now we have to sign in here. So once you're done with it, just tap on done and got it, and it is scanning. And now you can just modify your signature according to your need. You can also colorize it according to your needs too. So just go to anywhere you want your signature in and then tap on, let's say, then tap on OK. Here is OK. And tap on the tick mark. So as you will see, that's the sign is done. So yeah, this is how easily you can just sign PDF with digital signature certificate. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next